How's it going, guys? Been a while since I had anything of note to unbox. Got this earlier from Lazada's official Casio store. For those of you who don't know, Lazada is one of Southeast Asia's biggest online retailers. Bear with me as I go through the packaging. As you all know, a big part of the pleasure of unboxings is admiring the package design. It came with a little Casio paper bag and a bubble wrapped paper box. No tin can, unlike the 20th anniversary model. This is Casio's 30th anniversary commemorative Baby-G watch. It also coincides with another milestone anniversary for the pop culture icon Hello Kitty, her 50th. This watch is a square, based on Casio's Module 3523. Let's open the smaller paper box. Oh wow, it comes with a little pouch. The smaller box has a nice Hello Kitty ribbon detail and a note on the 2 milestone anniversaries. The watch is inside the soft fabric pouch that's also got the anniversary design of the box printed on it. And finally, here's the watch. Here it is, side by side with the Baby-G 20th anniversary model I currently have on my wrist. There's a rolled up cardboard shape keeper with a winking Hello Kitty printed on it. What attention to detail. Here's the tag. Removed it. The 20th anniversary model comes with retro bull bars on its face, but this 30th anniversary one doesn't. It does have red and blue bars as strap accessories. Okay, let's keep all this clutter. The color scheme is based on the red, white, and blue Hello Kitty color scheme during her 1974 debut. The band has printed Hello Kitty graphics making various faces, laughing, winking, etc. According to the website, this Baby-G features 50 Hello Kitty details to celebrate her 50th birthday. Aside from the faces on the strap and the Hello Kitty anniversary etching on the case back, the strap keeper has a Hello Kitty ribbon cutout. Here's both the 20th anniversary Baby-G based on module number 3290 and the 30th anniversary Hello Kitty Baby-G on my wrist for comparison. It really is a cool looking watch. Despite the Hello Kitty theme, it does not look overly cutesy or toy-like. The backlight reveals a set of Hello Kitty eyes and whiskers. The 20th anniversary one came with a traditional strap that you need to use a spring bar tool to replace. One development that I love with this 30th anniversary model is that it comes with a toolless strap. As you can see, you don't need any tool to remove the strap to replace it with another or to put back, just your hands and fingernails. The shiny buckle has a Casio engraving. Hope you guys enjoyed this simple unboxing video. G-Shocks and Baby-Gs are very durable utilitarian watches, Hello Kitty or otherwise. Is this something you think you'd want to pick up? Please comment below. Please thumb it up if you enjoyed and subscribe to be updated when I upload again. See you next video.